Christmas kit. Now let's see. Let's start with the hot chocolate. First, take the glitter sheet and make whatever you want. I am drawing a Christmas tree over here. I'll cut out 2 Christmas trees, yes, and wrap a ribbon around the cup and make a beautiful knot and tuck in the Christmas tree in between and make red dots all over so that the cup does not look plain. After that, I'll cut the reindeer, put the marshmallows first, then pour the hot chocolate. Your hot chocolate will also have hot chocolate chips. Pour it all, pour hot milk and stir it well. Decorate it. But whatever stick you have, we'll give it to you. Christmas cap decoration. Now this is interesting. Christmas cap, colored the little stars green, the bigger stars green, the smaller stars red. Stick the smaller stars on top of the bigger stars and then stick them on the cap. See, stick them on the cap. Stick it all over and then make dots by green and golden color. Okay, green and golden color. Christmas stamping pencil box. What is that? Take a pencil box, put in a paper so that nothing goes on the other side. You'll have blocks. Cut whatever shape you want. You can do Christmas tree, snowman, cap, anything, and stamp it all around your box and create a design. Decoration, the Christmas hanging, wrap the red around and cut it. Just see how it is going. Okay, now take one string each. They are all of equal size. Make a loop and the rest of the thread just push it through the loop and pull it. Okay, again make a loop and push it through the loop. Like that, cover this whole wooden ring. Now make the white, right, see, and tie it from top. Just take one other white string and tie it from the top like that. Okay, now you can also comb it so that it looks very nice and okay. After you make the beard, cut it and then just comb it if you want. Push the wool outside this, yes, right, see, and tie the top of the cap. I suggest you comb it all after you cut it, okay, and tie a knot to make it a, one string has to be left long to make a knot to hang it from the tree. Okay, put some cotton in the cap to give it a shape. Okay, and then push your Santa Claus beard. Trim it again. Here, smaller children, please don't try and comb the Santa Claus beard, but the rest please do. Christmas village. This is the main kit. Open your MDF pieces, right? You will be able to assemble it all. It has the carriage, the sail, everything. Choose the color. First decide the color. You can sponge it. Give you sponge to sponge it. Okay, or you can color it too. Right? And then see, in the tree, just make red dots. You have the red string. Just wrap it around to give it that Christmassy look, right? I am sticking it by glue dots. Now let's start assembling the base. Once you assemble the base, just put some glue stick over there so that things just stay in thing. Now put in the light. All your assembled and colored accessories, place it. See, the names have been written everywhere, wherever is whatever, so you can easily put it there. and it will be ready. And then you also can make the reindeer hold the sleigh. Okay, so you can do much more decoration if you want. You can add things to your lamp, add stars or glitter. Okay. Now the snow making, my fun. Take the whole powder that I gave you. See, the powder is so little, but you just keep adding water to it and it will swell up. Water and water and water. Just becomes so much. And put it on the Christmas village. Okay? And give it a Christmassy look. After you pour it on the Christmas village, the snow has to be put on the Christmas village and play and stuff. Thank you.